What's up, guys? This is Nevitt from Team Infinity here with Greatmats Sport Karate Training Series, and I'm going to go over some transitions that you can use in your form to take your creativity to the next level. Whether you go to your knee from a hand combo or a trick, you can use all of these as a transition or even an ending move if you'd like. I'm going to start with the first one, the most simple one. Take a knee, and it's called a knee slide. Super easy. First things first, we're going to take a knee. Right knee down, left knee up. To move forward in this slide, all I got to do is take my left knee, point it forward, and put it on the ground. So I point, it's on the ground, and you'll feel your back knee start to try and catch up. As soon as your front knee is on the ground, all you got to do is pull your back leg through to your next stance. And you can do it on the other side. I point my front knee forward, put it on the ground, and step through. Point my knee, put it on the ground, and step through. So here's my knee slide transition. I'm going to do it out of a 540 to my knee, and you'll see the slide pick up right after I land. So it looks like this, defensive stance. Aya. The next transition that you can do is a knee spin. So I'm going to take my left knee, put it on the ground, right knee is up. It'll look like this. Boom, easy. What I do is I take my right knee. I'm going to try and put my knees together and face the back. So right knee comes down, my knees are together, I'm facing the back. After you get to this position, then you're going to switch knees. So now your left knee gets to come up when you face back to the front. Okay? We can go back the other way. Left knee comes together to my right. I'm facing the back. Right knee comes up to face the front and finish the spin. Again, looks all like this. Pow. We're going to do that out of a simple hand combo. It'll look like this. Ya, to, aya. Now the next transition is a roll. This one is a little bit more difficult to understand, but I'm going to try my best to break it down. Again, I'm going to take my right knee, put it on the ground. Left foot is up. Instead of me turning to my right, I'm going to turn to my left and take a seat. All right? So I'm going to turn to my left. I take a seat on my butt. My foot is up. From here, I'm going to switch my knees and come around. Okay? I'll start facing this way. So, my right knee is down, left knee is up. I'm going to take a seat to the right. As I do that, my chest is going to start to turn around. When I face the back, all you got to do, switch your feet. So right now, I have my left leg up and my right leg down. I'm going to switch them, put my left leg down, and my right knee will come up, just like this. Back to the other side. I'm going to do that one out of a butterfly twist. That's my favorite way to do it.
Greatmats is a national flooring retailer. Contact Greatmats for free samples, free design help, and live customer service today. If you like what you've seen here, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow Greatmats on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Twitter.